Hey everyone, I got a little riff here that I've been playing for a number of years, just kind of like a warm-up funk kind of riff. If you'd like to learn it, this is how it goes. What I'm doing there basically is I'm playing an A. Now this might be for the more advanced students, but I'm giving everybody a mix here of everything. Here is it's an A minor, so I'm hitting just the A bass note, and I'm sliding up with the bottom part of my first finger. Okay, so I'm going. So after I do slide, I'm going A, hammer on, fourth finger to the 8th fret, third finger 7th fret, first finger 5th fret, 4th string. Try to do it slow. I never play anything slow, so it's always kind of weird for me. And then I'm going a little hammer on the 4th string, 5th to 7th fret, back to 5th. And then reach 4th finger to the 8th fret, 5th string. And then I'm making a chord. And this is like a F. Can you hear that F on the 1st fret sound? Same thing. So you're doing an F here, 4th finger, 8th fret, 5th string, 3rd finger, 4th string, 7th fret, 1st finger, 5th fret, 3rd string, 2nd finger, 6th fret, 2nd string. So this is an F chord, but you're gonna play it up here. F chord, C major. So I'm doing a little like palm mute to a G major to an A minor. Slide it up if you want to switch it up a little bit to the F here. And I'm just dragging that 5th string to the C to the A. All right, have fun with that.